Writing simple formulas in Excel. So what I'm going to show you now is how you should write formulas in Excel. And this is a very basic lesson, but I want you to understand if you're a beginner at this software. So what I have here on the basics tab of the section 2 workbook is a table which has a sales ID, a discounted price, the actual discount, and the actual price, the initial price of the product. Now, what I would want to do is to find out what that price was. So I would add the discounted price with the discount, and then I would get the initial price that that object had. So the way you do this, and you can see the formula bar here at the very top, is either click here on the formula tab, or click on the cell where you want to write the formula, press equal on your keyboard, and that's when, as you can see, it goes into formula mode. Click the cell that you want to add up. So in our case, C4 is the first one. We press plus, we click on D4, and we press enter. And Excel automatically calculates the formula for us. Now, the other way we might do this is by using the sum function. And this is a very basic function as well, but it's a bit more clean than actually summing cells up with a plus, because right now we have two cells, but imagine that you might have more than two cells. So what we're going to do is we're going to write sum, and as you can see, Excel will bring up all the different variants that we could have for formulas. So we're going to press sum. You can either hit tab or open brackets. And then as you can see, Excel shows you the format of this formula. So number one, number two. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the first one, which is C5, press comma, and then click the second one. And if we want to, we can sum up everything here just by pressing comma and hitting all of those buttons. And then we close the brackets. Press enter. And as you can see, this calculates the sum of all of those cells right there. Alternatively, this doesn't make sense in this scenario, but you can multiply the cells as well. It's the exact same principle. Simply press the cell, then you put an asterisk, and you click on the next cell, press enter, and as you can see, it multiplies them. So this was a very basic lecture just for you to understand how formulas work, and I'm going to take it easy in these first few sections of this course.